Fala pessoal tibiano, tudo beleza? Hoje vou apresentar um pouco da trajetória do Tibia aí, que eu tive algumas alterações. Bom, eu acabei pegando eu tava com um SMS aqui na verdade, no mundo de Rasteibra, level 257, chamado uma hand sexy. Ele é um Master Sorcerer, eu acabei vendendo ele por 760 coin. Ele tava no ML 91. Eu gostava bastante dele, mas nós tava upando em uma PTX4 X5 que acabou sendo desfeita. Nisso, então não valia a pena, porque o meu amigo tava de Monk e eu tava de MS. Então nós só seria complementares em PT. Acabei então vendendo e pegando esse Kino aqui, ó, por 78 coin. Ele saiu por 78 coin. Eu bindei por 250, mas saiu por 78. Ele tá no skill 109. Acabei tendo a sorte de pegar esse EK aqui no level 72. E nisso, no primeiro dia, eu já formei uma PT 4x e fui upar. Nisso, no segundo dia eu já não consegui formar uma PT 4x e acabei aí tendo que upar em duo com um paladin. Acabei conseguindo upar aí nesses 2 dias uns 20 levels. Foi em média uns 20 levels. Bom, fica a trajetória aí e algumas modificações no meio do caminho da trajetória.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be